Hey guys, so Annabelle and I are getting ready right now, and we're heading to a ninja show in, I don't know where it's at.
I don't know where it is either.
I think it's in Nago, or it's closer to Nago. It's up north, so we're gonna go see a ninja show, and we're gonna get dinner. I don't know what the dinner is either, or where it's at.
We don't know anything.
We actually don't know anything, but it's with an MCCS tour, so we know it's gonna be good, and it's already paid for, so there's that too. We're excited for it, and we're about to head out in like 3 minutes. So I'll show you guys how it is. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah. We just finished eating at the all-you-can-eat Japanese restaurant, and I thought it was pretty good. Did you think so, Annabelle?
I don't know, my stomach hurts a little.
Well, yeah, I'm like really full right now, but overall it's pretty good. We just made it to the, I don't know where we're at right now, but we made it to where the ninja show is going to be at. We have about an hour till showtime, and so Annabelle and I are just kind of strolling. It looks like there's a batting. Oh no, there's just a field. There's a field right here, and this is the largest shisha dog in the world. In the world. That's wild. So, Annabelle, can you tell us what is the importance of shisha dogs?
I forgot.
So, when their mouth is open, that means they're taking in the good spirits, and then when their mouth is closed, it means they're warding off the bad spirits. So that's kind of what they mean, and they're just like really important in Japanese culture, and like they're outside of all the big buildings. Well, actually just all of the buildings, houses, anything really. S-H-I-S-A. Shisa. But yeah, and there's a little play area over here, which looks like a little ship. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Just wait until the show, and so we'll see you then.
1, 2, 3